How do I check my Apple ID balance?
Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to guide you through a very useful task, how to check your Apple ID balance. This balance includes all the credit you have for purchases in the iTunes Store, App Store, and any other Apple property.
What is an Apple ID balance?
Your Apple ID balance is the credit that you have associated with your Apple ID. It's used for any purchases you make on the Apple ecosystem. This includes the App Store, iTunes Store, and more. You might have added funds to your Apple ID balance using gift cards or by adding funds directly. Knowing how to check your balance is important to manage your spending and to know how much you have left for future purchases.
Checking balance on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch.
Checking your Apple ID balance on your iOS or iPadOS device is simple. 1. Open the App Store. Look for the blue icon with an A made of writing utensils on your device and tap on it. 2. Tap on your profile picture. You'll find your profile picture or the sign-in button on the top right of the screen. 3. Check your balance. Here, under your name, you should see your Apple ID balance.
Checking balance on Mac.
If you're using a Mac, the process is still quite straightforward. 1. Open the App Store. You can find the App Store in your dock or you can use Spotlight to search for it. 2. Click on your name or sign-in button. This is located at the bottom of the sidebar on the left side of the screen. 3. Find your balance. Your Apple ID balance will be displayed under your name in the sidebar.
What if you can't see your balance?
If you followed the steps above and you can't see your balance, it could be due to a few reasons. 1. You're not signed in with your Apple ID. Make sure that you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. If you have more than one, you might be signed in with a different one. 2. You don't have a balance. If you don't see a balance, it could simply mean that you don't have any credit in your Apple ID. 3. Your balance isn't available. In some regions and under certain circumstances, your balance might not be available. In any of these cases, you should contact Apple support for further assistance. So that's how you check your Apple ID balance. We hope this guide was useful to you and helps you manage your Apple ID credit effectively. Remember, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your balance, especially if you frequently make purchases on the App Store or iTunes Store. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below.